You just bought the iPhone 17 Pro, but if you do not change these settings right now, you are wasting battery, performance, and camera quality. Stay till the end because tip number 5 can literally save your life. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am showing you the first 5 things you must do on your new iPhone 17 Pro. These tips will improve battery life, camera quality, security, and daily use. Update iOS, very important. New iPhones often come with old iOS versions. Updating fixes bugs, improves battery life, and unlocks new features. Always do this before changing anything else. Set default camera lens. First, go to Setting and find Camera. Then tap on Preserve Settings, enable Camera Mode and Lens Control. Camera will open exactly how you last used it. Fix location permissions. Go to Setting, then scroll down and find Privacy and Security, then tap it. Then tap on Location Services, change most apps to while using the app. Only Maps or Ride apps need always. Install essential apps first. Install camera apps, editing tools, banking apps, and daily use apps first. Keep your phone clean and fast. Configure focus modes. Go to Settings, then tap on Focus, Create Work, Sleep, and Personal modes. This reduces distractions. These were the first 5 settings you must change on iPhone 17 Pro. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment "Done" if you change these settings.